Hey, welcome back to Truck U. We are continuing to work on our Raptor here today. We took a fast truck and we made it even faster. Brand new turbo kit on this thing is going to take it from 450 horsepower to over 600. The thing is, when you got a fast vehicle, you got to get it stopped, right? And you got to have the right product to do so. So we turned to the guys at bproauto for brakes. We got to talk about pads, rotors, and calipers. You know, the whole thing is you want to use a quality product on a high-end vehicle like this. Now, you can take it down to your dealership, and they're going to charge you an arm and a leg, not only for the parts, but for the labor. I can handle the labor with Matt, but you got to have the right part to work with. That's one of the nice things about bproauto is the fact that they're OE-backed. So all their products are held to the same standards in terms of testing and overall development. They're 100% matched for your vehicle to match that same quality product that you would get from your original equipment manufacturer. Now, the rotors themselves, 100% designed exactly like the OEs in terms of weight, fit, dimension, and their computer mill balance, so they're going to be perfect and get rid of any kind of additional vibration. Now, you pair them with the calipers right here that are, again, OE 100% spec'd out with that cool zinc coating. It's going to look good for a long time and avoid corrosion. Now, it's just a matter of getting the old caliper off and start putting the new stuff on. Do you know where your in-cabin filter is at? Most people don't, and the reason why is because they're told on a certain interval they're supposed to change it out, and they're like, forget it, because they get the sticker shock when the dealership tells them what it costs to have it done. Well, if you get the right part, you're going to get the right filtration like you can from an OE-backed part like this in-cabin air filter from bproauto. But you can do it yourself and save a bunch of money and not have that sticker shock for an overpriced filter. Now, if you're looking for where it is, a lot of times it's under your glove compartment, and all you have to do is check your manual. But the whole idea behind it is to give you a better air quality inside the cab of your truck. Now, if you're one of those people who has allergies, it's a huge thing because it filters out dust and pollen and other things that'll aggravate your allergies. It'll also hurt your overall ventilation system because a clogged filter doesn't let air properly circulate. To give you an example, if your windshield is always fogging up, you probably need to go ahead and change out that filter. All right, the last order of business underneath the hood is installing this new battery we got from bproauto. Nice thing about it, they offer a 24-month free replacement. I'll get this locked down and hooked up, and then we're going to do a little work underneath this truck to protect a few things that I want to make sure stay there. Now it's time to kind of get the payoff. You know, we put the work in. I can tell you right now, the sound is a whole lot quieter. But you know what? I think we can also get a little rumble going too, which is nice. We have the best of both worlds now.
That is cool. I do like that. And I'm going to do a brake check here.
No, hold on.
Yeah. I'm not getting too crazy because it looks like it sprinkled a little bit earlier. So, oh, nice.
How was the feel of the pedal?
The pedal feels great.
Yeah. I like it.
But other than that, I think the dude's going to be happy with this.
He should, man. Everything he wanted, we delivered as always. So now he's got the power of the V8.
It's a good size.
But with better gas mileage.
All right, you ready? Closed course racing. Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah, baby.
Okay.
Dude, we cut our time almost in half. All right, maybe I exaggerated a little bit, but it definitely got there a little bit quicker, don't you think?
Yeah. Yeah, I can tell.
It's hard because we're actually spinning the wheels and you've got to do your own traction control to hold this thing, but that's a good problem to have.
It is a good problem to have. It's fun. Like my legs tighten up a little bit.
A very productive day. We've got a truck that was fast. We made it even faster just because.
If nothing else, it's a lot of fun.
It really is.
So, cool. All right, you ready to head back to the shop?
All right, man, that's all the time we got today for Truck U. We'll see you guys next time.
See ya.